Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the practical approach of the arithmetic operators. So we need to open the IDE integrated development environment of Turbo C. So I simply open the Turbo C and maximize it, and I write here has include stdio.h and has include conio.h, and after that I write here the void main and closing and opening braces, and I declare here the int x y sum comma sub multi and div and ram. I simply declaring here the variable x y sum sub multi div and ram, and I simply assign the 0 value to the sum and sub equal 0 and multi equal 0 and div equal 0 and ram equal 0. I am assigning the sum sub multi div and ram as a 0 because I want to store the result of sum sub multi div and remainder into these variables. So if we are not assigning the 0 value in these variables, the result is not correct because it store the garbage value. So first we need to initialize the 0 value, and after that I write here the printf and slash n, and I write here enter the value for x and then scanf and percentage d comma ampersand x, then printf slash n, and then enter the value for y, then semicolon colon, and after writing here I giving the semicolon, okay, and then press enter, scanf, and then I write here percentage d comma ampersand y. Okay, these two statements simply I am using here the printf. This simply print the message onto the screen, enter the value for x, and I am using here the scanf function and write here the percentage d because I want to integer data type and taking from the user as an integer value and store into the x variable, and with the ampersand represent the address of the x, means the user giving the value it will store at the address of the x, and I am using here the same procedure for y, and I comment here and write simply addition or simply unary operator, unary plus operator, okay, and I enter here and I write here sum equal x plus y, and I print here printf and slash n sum equal percentage d comma sum, and then you simply see here I am commenting here unary plus operator, means I am defining the unary plus operator, and I write here sum equal x plus y, and I am using here the plus operator to add the two numbers and assign the variable sum, and after that I am using here the printf function that print the, I write here the slash n, means I want to change the line, and sum equal, they simply print the screen onto the screen, and percentage d represent the data type as integer, and sum means I want to print the value stored into the sum. After that I write here unary minus operator and then press enter. Sub equal x minus y, and printf and slash n sub equal %d and comma sub, and I capitalize it. Okay, and in this line I simply subtract the value of x with y and store to the sub, and print the value of the sub, and then again comment here and write multiplication operator, and I write here multi equal x star y, and then printf and then slash n, and I write here the multiplication equal %d comma multi. You simply see here, simply I write here x star y means I want to multiply the x with y, so I am using here the multiplication operator and store into the multivariable, and with the help of printf function I print the value of multi onto the screen. And next is division operator, and I simply write here div equal x divided by y, and then printf and then slash n division equal %d comma div. Okay, you simply see here I am using here the division operator to divide the value of x with the y and store into the div tag, into the div variable, and print using the printf function I print the value of div, and then again comment here and write here remainder operator, and then I write here the ram equal x modulo y, and printf and then %n remainder equal %d comma ram, and then get ch. Okay, and then semicolon. I write here x modulo division y, and it will return the remainder into the ram variable. Using the printf function I simply print the value of ram onto the screen, and at last I using here the get ch functions. You will learn about that, and close the main function, and I am using here the two header files, stereo.h and conio.h. I am using here the stereo.h for printf function and conio.h for getch. Okay, and after that I compile it. There is no error, but I want to simply do calling a function clear screen for clearing the screen, and save it, and after that again compile it. There is no error, and after that I run it. Okay, I simply passing here the value 22 and value of y as a 10. You simply see here sum is 32, means 22 plus 10 is equals to 32, and subtract the result of sub equals to 12, because 22 minus 10 equals to 12. Multiplication 220 and division 2 and remainder 2. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and thank you for watching my video.